Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So, on the dollar Swiss, I still think that we're in a pullback. I still think this is either an A, a B, and a C, or perhaps this is a W, a X, and a wave Y. Either way, I still think there's a very good chance that we're going to go up and take out these previous highs. I'm looking at this move down here as likely just another pullback within this move up. I do think this whole thing is going to be a corrective pattern. I do think it is going to go down at some point, but since we're talking about the daily time frame, it potentially is going to go up. I think making higher highs, higher lows for at least a week or more, probably at least a couple weeks, honestly. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking at this move down as a pullback to the last move up. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on the whole impulsive move. I'm looking for one wave down. I'm looking for a corrective wave up. I'm looking for another wave down. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce, and I'm looking for a break of structure to the upside. It looks like it's trying to go up right now, which it definitely could go up and break structure. And if it does go up and break structure, it probably is the beginning of another impulsive move on the higher time frames. So, like I said, this move down right here is very likely just a pullback. So, we definitely want to keep an eye out for the end of this pullback, the end of this three-way pattern, and hopefully the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.